In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then click on device unlock over here. Select screen lock and pick one of those login methods types: numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. When you finished, wait 5 seconds to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now, if you change your mind, you can always tap on use a different password type and click on one of the available login methods here. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. Following that, if you want to, you can select enable in the pop-up or click on cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!